Ndị be anyị ekeleni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esonye anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, ekabarụ ka ị subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
He dare not. He cannot do that. But because he walks around, moves around with all these nincompoops and mediocres, again, what do you expect? He can always come around, fly on air, and say whatever he did. As far as this government is concerned, he has been relieved. Not him, the company that hired him with that contract has been terminated. So anything he's doing now, he's doing it with the people that he's just an unofficial basis that he's romancing. But definitely, whatever he said is irrelevant as far as the United States government is concerned. That's my answer to that. Next.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your response.
You're welcome.
Honorable Odwak.
Yes. My greetings to my indomitable DPM, a woman that cannot be defeated, a woman chosen by the God of Biafra to lead us. We appreciate you, ma. I want to appreciate our honorables in the house one more time. My question goes like this, and all Biafrans. I want to appreciate everyone that has held on till now. God bless all of us. I stepped out a little bit. I wasn't sure. I didn't know that they had put a limit. I mean, on how many people should talk. So you need to pardon me. I just had this burden in my heart regarding my department. It's a big department. That's why we are up to we were initially up to 4 women. But I've been trying so hard. A lot of people are busy. One of them, is supposed to be in the women affairs, is not really available for us. So my question is, how do I get a hold? Is there anything, any suggestion, any of the any of us, any of the honorables in the house, or who is concerned could help me with, because I need to recruit women leaders in the 40 states that could help us, because I have been able to recruit as one in Idumibum, and I have 2 ladies in Lagos, but one of them is like, oh, since there's no pay to it, they are just back and forth, and I'm not sure. I don't have to beg anybody to help us. We need people that are passionate about this free liberation. So what can be done to help me, because we need, I believe that's what was put out, that we need commissioners in all 40 states. I don't have access to that, on how to do that. I need help. And also to Dr. Princess Aggie, I've tried to reach out to you a few times. I know you're very, very busy, but anyways, I need help. Maybe we could, maybe when you're setting up the education department, to come out and address Biafrans, and about what we do and the needs we have in the department, maybe you could add our department, community services department, so that we could maybe ask if there's anybody that could come in and help us in these areas. That's all I have for now. I appreciate everyone.
Sorry, Honorable Oda, because you mentioned my name, I do not set up any meeting for any department, but if you want me to do that for you, I will. And
okay, sorry.
Yeah, the best way to contact me is to send me a text.
Okay.
You know, my phone number is out there. You know what I mean? So please send me a text because I get quite a lot. But if it's to schedule the meeting, I don't. But if you want me to help you, I will.
No, I heard the reason why I said that is because I heard another department asking to be to set up something and let them come out. So that's why I mentioned if it's not convenient, that's cool.
No, like I said, it's not about convenience. I'm saying if I understand your need, can we talk off here?
Okay, that's why I called. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, then we can
talk.
talk.
Honorable Uduak, again, it depends on the particular position. So you have to mention the
commissioners, at least at this point, my DPM.
Commissioner for what? Commissioner for what?
For the social services area, I thought you said all departments are supposed to come up with
yeah, so what I just want to be clear. So what you're looking for is the replicate for your department in Homeland, right?
Yeah, is it only one or one? Is it one in each state or one only one?
No,
let's talk.
I think I'm confused.
Can she bring that in the cabinet meeting? Thank you so much.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I'm just trying to, if it's the commissioners, I'm just trying to say maybe the state governors could be a source to help you in sourcing for those each individual from the different states. So maybe
remember my DPM, remember how for instance, the Department of Education, they're looking for a representative in each of the states.
Yes,
each of the 40 states. That's what I'm looking for, because the programs I've been doing, I'm doing it in one state, and that's not really what we need to do. We need to reach out to everybody.
Yeah, you can always make your announcement publicly what you're looking for. But what I'm saying is maybe the state governor should be able to, if you go through that, they should be able to send you one name from each of the 40 states for that department.
Okay. DPM, I just want to add this. Honorable Dulac, send me your number. If your number that I have is what you want me to make public, I could send that announcement to the 40 states platform for you on your behalf.
Okay, I can do that. I can maybe send an email.
No. WhatsApp.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next person.
All right. Oh my, the hands are up. Okay. Ekpa.
Let's take Marine. Sorry.
Okay. Marine Command. Okay. Marine Command.
Marine, can you talk and so you can go rest?
Oh, him. Okay.
Good evening. Good morning, everyone. Fambo Marine. So, when each and everybody network for this Zoo Republic government.
Okay.
And Obi the motor na this meeting. Na yeni nekureba na we the soldiers ayano chagi nuku. But ofun kwa kamon nekun is that mwanya no forever been our DPM. Unu waboya ni na mbebono. Numa yunu genyi ya konya yi kai mobada kwa dema. Nume makana ndị be anyị si na onye nọ mmadụ nso and Sisi. And remember, Igani Rubondo in a Chazo. We, I want on this homeland. Ma can these shall prepare, Makwata Sheme. But by grace of Elohim, I plan in China and I plan on having event. So, Yeman are uniform. Koit Meya Chike at Chibuka Magan to reach our destination. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, okay. DPM, you want to speak?
No, go ahead.
Maze Berima Ekpa, please.
Yeah, wonderful people, wonderful cabinet members of. Am I coming out? Hello, am I coming out loud?
Yes, you are.
Okay. This is me again. My first time joining this comment session and answer. This is my first time ever since I started following. I started doing BIAFRA struggle right from MNK time. I was opportune to be speaking today live with my Deputy Prime Minister, Ngozi Obi. I'm very, very so much happy. Where I'm calling from homeland. Yes, we are good. We are good in homeland. You know, they have finished killing. Yes, we are good in homeland. Yeah, we support you, our Deputy Prime Minister, Ngozi Obi, in whatever you are doing in Biafra government. Ihe m na-ekwu bụ asị onye asị ya jide ka o ji ya mara nke o ji dị mma. Anyị kwụghị n'azụ hapụ ndị mmadụ, they will be doing all they can be doing, you know. Onye ịma na asịrị na onye na-eme ihe ọma na aga na-anụsị ya ọgụ ka ama na ya kwatụye. You are standing strong, you know. You are steadfast, focus, and you know, steadiness. All you have for n'ebe nọ, ị dey shake. Iwurugo, in fact, iwurugo iroko. Onwe ihe na-akwa gị. First of all, before I go on my DPM, please, you blocked me right from
When did I block you? Where? Never.
You blocked me. First account. I've been crying for this. I've cried to go 247. I've cried to Drake. I've cried to I've cried to everyone. They said I should. In fact, I'm tired. I don't want to.
Where did I block you? Where did I block you?
First, your first account, the first ever account before you.
The first Twitter.
Yes.
What's the name?
You sent me Berima Ekpa.
So can you pull? What did you say before I blocked you?
No, this whole thing started. This thing after our declaration in Finland on 29th of November. Everybody, I was surprised. So I don't have to worry. I said that one day I will speak to you, and finally today I've. So I don't know if I did anything wrong. Please forgive me. Go and block me back. Sorry.
What did you post? What did you post before you were blocked? That's the question.
No, DPM, he has already felt guilty. Apparently, he said something when he wasn't sure. He said immediately after the Finland Convention, this problem. That's what he said, this problem.
I don't know. Even if you I don't even know. I don't know if you can help me.
Forgive him.
So please, please keep it up.
He's not patronizing you, so block.
All this name praising, I just okay, well, unblock after you so send you when you so send you all got price in a Biafran land, whether knowingly or unknowingly. Makana is so easy. All this
this is Icheke. I don't think I said anything, but I've been following you right from time. If you can ask Drake know about me, everybody knows.
After you send me a message privately on Twitter to know you, because I don't know, I block people when they just are crazy. So you may have to evaluate and check what you said, what you posted. Because ignorance is no excuse in this thing we are doing. If you have truly been following NNAMDI, and following our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. I don't think if you have truly, before that, say you are confused. That's why some of the individuals, all these new people, they hand a Ebuka from nowhere that don't even know, and they just join and using them to lie, to confuse them. It's a different thing, but again, I have to check and know what you posted. If it's something real bad, you will still remain on. You still remain blocked.
Please, ma, just do and check. But if you don't find anything bad, you can release me from this prison. Are they inside prison? Because
I will.
Council on those.
Brother, go open another one. No,
Okay, next person is Mazi Johnson Ogodano.
All protocols duly observed.
We can't hear you.
Oh, he heard me.
All protocols duly observed.
DPM, you can't hear me?
Am I coming out?
Yeah, you are coming out. DPM, can you hear him?
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Okay.
I actually do not have any questions. All I have at this time is commendation, admiration, and a big thank you for all the hard work every single one of you do day after day. I mean, I think about all the things you do, your day job, and then after all of that, you still make out so much time to give to Biafra. I mean, I don't even have the words to say the thank you that I have in my heart for all I see you all do. I want to really say thank you so much. And then I want to zero down on our DPM. DPM, as I listen to you day after day, the kind of confidence you exude, the kind of authority you command is so amazing. And it tells me the kind of strength that you have. And as I listen to you, I look at the things you do, I just think about the nation we're trying to build. And my hope is that our nation will be built, our institutions will be built on this kind of strength, on this kind of authority, that the world would know that indeed there are people that are fearless, a people who are super confident, a people who will truly stand and be an example to the world. I want to say thank you, and I want to say continue in the strength that you have. We are solidly behind you. We're watching you. We're walking with you. There's no shaking. So thank you very much, and may you continue to be strong. Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Last one.
Thank you.
Thank you, my DPM.
DPM. Why is it echoing? Okay, go ahead. Talking. I'm not sure it's echoing.
I want to raise my hand, but I don't know.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold on. Who is that?
Emeka talking.
Go ahead.
Okay. Dr. Dorothy, do you want to say something before?
Sorry?
Okay, so we just take these 3 minutes.
Somebody has two things open. It's echoing. Somebody has two things. Listen to two gadgets. Remove it.
No, I don't have to. It's only one.
Wow, why is it?
Go ahead.
Okay. My DPN, I greet you so much for your good work and making a go of more manner. Noromina Relika, our chief of defense, and making a quaggy. Oh, Ejima Kebu, chief of defense, Ejima, because I'm from Apostle Dr. Steve. I don't know Ejima. No, twins.
Ebuka and their person Steve. Yes, they look alike for real.
Because I think I'm all cable all the picture had the two man. It is so quite different.
One name, I mind the both. Singularity of restoration and sustenance.
So as some can soon of more of mana. Nankunu na America. I know something is new sige karele. That is the zoo getting the new sabuanoko. Oh, my friend, Mpaya Smojo ga Jojo say, my father go Biafra, but on go now. My friend Mpaya we bom simu ne akare iko kuna, but ni mago na zoo na network adrom my bafu. Osimo joga ju that na ha waloro go Biafra. That na ebe ha je lo ebe ha jere na eyedi ya o we kosi pa farati no ogwo ashuku. But then this thing na but mom ihe wa kpọdara afa na ogwo ashuku. Not near kadindu na number eyedi ya asili Biafra army ndị lụrụ ọgụ. Na ma number ya. Masikwa ndị commander ha kpọjere ogwo ashuku. As this thing on a camp have fun or watch won't go to a wire. Or snap for one card didn't do no one at Biafra Bia. No when he had when he had more of that zone when or Quahaganya or Conway Haga Patabia Kuzer and the Biafra.
Of course. Of course.
Basara to Guapo.
Yeah, of course.
Of course. We value our veterans. They are very, very important to us. They are dear to our hearts. Special honor, and we put them on the payments, on the retirement payments. Awesome. Believe me, they will have a lot of benefits.
Yes.
To stay strong and stay alive. Very soon, Biafra will be finally home, and we will take care of him.
I don't want us to Musie Biafra. Also, Musie Biafra that now, if the time you don't know that our government may announce, so you're going to be there for ya. No one again military.
And what Daloli Neno from Igbo Media, boy by Sura Utanunya Bozi, Joe Kempa, Bastabak Yemen and Nigeria, and the NNAMDI teacher, na Eastern Region. And Uno Kosia Dana Finland and the Biafran Prime Minister KCGD, the update and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland. So Yelina Kaya, I know Telu Niba Huko. Kifi Woliku Bastama Kayabo, Chief of Staff Hukasi Niba Huko, Yanebo Tagasiaka, and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So Yabi Feka Isikai Tiedo no Kono. Why function no den kono basta makaya bi fe ngwa dado din en